G'day, I'm Peter from Team Low Range 4x4, and are you watching this at the right resolution? The reason why I asked this question is quite simply, I discovered myself I'm running at the wrong resolution on my portable device. The default one, I should say, not wrong, because having any resolution is good resolution, I guess. So I'm running at 720p on my iPhone 10, and that is the default one, obviously for battery life and for data usage. But if you've got Wi-Fi and an okay Wi-Fi at home, then you should be able to bump that resolution up. And of course, you're close to a charging point would also help. Now, if you're unrestricted by these things, let's say you've got good Wi-Fi at home and a 4K TV or a computer that is capable of putting out 4K or 1440p, which is the next best option, they are the resolutions I would recommend for watching our videos, because at the end of the day, everything we have recorded for the past 10 months is in 4K. The whole reason why I'm discussing this at all is I did notice a huge difference when I was editing quite recently. I was checking it on my iPhone, which is my daily driver for going around town, and of course the 4K monitor, which I've recently upgraded to, and there's a big disconnect there when you're looking at a lower resolution version. Alright, so just to surmise everything here, you know, the resolution you're watching it at is up to you, of course, but I really do feel the sharpness that you can see in 4K is the way to go if you're watching these videos. Now, as always, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to keep doing this dance in this short video here until someone tells me it's stupid, or you can just subscribe. And I'll see you later. It's Peter from Team Low Range 4x4.